Welcome, walking enthusiasts and Hoka fans. Are you tired of sore feet after a long day of walking? Do you want to experience cloud-like comfort with every step? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the world of Hoka walking shoes. Whether you're a casual stroller or a power walker, Hoka has something for everyone. But with so many options, which one is right for you? Let's count down the top 6 Hoka walking shoes that will revolutionize your daily strolls. 6. Hoka Transport. Starting our list at number 6 is the Hoka Transport. This shoe is a game changer for urban explorers and commuters alike. When I first slipped these on, I was immediately struck by how lightweight they felt. It's like Hoka took all the comfort they're known for and packed it into a sleek, city-ready package. The Transport features a Cordura mesh upper that's both durable and breathable. I've worn these through crowded city streets and on light trails, and they've held up beautifully. The abrasion-resistant material means you don't have to baby these shoes, they can take a beating and still look great. One of my favorite features of the Transport is the quick toggle lace system. It's a godsend when you're rushing to catch a train or bus. Just pull, adjust, and go. No more fumbling with laces or worrying about them coming undone mid-walk. The cushioning on the Transport is just right, not too soft, not too firm. It's responsive enough for a brisk walk, but comfortable enough for all-day wear. I've stood in these for hours at outdoor events, and my feet felt fresh even after a long day. Lastly, let's talk about style. The Transport has a modern, athletic look that pairs well with both casual and athleisure outfits. I've received numerous compliments on these shoes, especially the sleek black colorway. If you're looking for a versatile Hoka that can take you from the office to the park, the Transport is an excellent choice. 5. Hoka Clifton LS. This shoe takes the beloved Clifton running shoe and transforms it into a lifestyle-friendly walker. The moment I put these on, I understood why the Clifton series has such a devoted following. The Clifton LS boasts Hoka's signature oversized midsole, which provides incredible cushioning without feeling bulky. Walking in these feels like you're gliding on air. The Meta-Rocker technology in the sole promotes a smooth heel-to-toe transition, making each step effortless. One thing that really impressed me about the Clifton LS is its versatility. I've worn these for casual walks around the neighborhood, longer hikes on groomed trails, and even as a comfortable option for running errands. The shoe adapts well to different surfaces and activities. The upper of the Clifton LS is made from a breathable knit material that hugs your foot comfortably. It's stretchy enough to accommodate different foot shapes, but still provides good structure. I particularly appreciate how well ventilated these shoes are. My feet stay cool even on warmer days. Durability is another strong point for the Clifton LS. After several months of regular use, they show minimal signs of wear. The outsole has held up well on various surfaces, and the cushioning hasn't compressed significantly. If you're looking for a reliable, everyday walking shoe that can handle high mileage, the Clifton LS is a solid choice. 4. Hoka Bondi 8. At number 4, we have the Hoka Bondi 8, which is often referred to as the most cushioned shoe in Hoka's lineup. When I first saw these, I was skeptical. Could a shoe with that much cushioning really be comfortable for walking? The answer is a resounding yes. The Bondi 8 features an incredibly thick EVA midsole that absorbs impact like nothing else I've tried. Walking in these feels like you're strolling on a cloud. If you have joint issues or struggle with foot pain, these shoes could be a game changer for you. Despite the chunky appearance, the Bondi 8 is surprisingly lightweight. Hoka has done an excellent job of balancing cushioning and weight. I've taken these on long walks and never felt weighed down or fatigued. The upper of the Bondi 8 is made from engineered mesh that provides excellent breathability. It's also incredibly plush, with extra padding around the collar and tongue. This results in a luxurious, almost slipper-like feel that's perfect for those who prioritize comfort. One aspect of the Bondi 8 that really stands out is its stability. The wide base and Meta-Rocker geometry work together to create a stable platform that guides your foot through each step. This makes the Bondi 8 an excellent choice for those who need a bit of extra support in their walking shoes. 3. Hoka Gaviota 5. This shoe is designed for those who need maximum stability without sacrificing cushioning. As someone who tends to overpronate, I was excited to try these out. The Gaviota 5 features Hoka's H-frame technology, which provides guidance and support throughout your gait cycle. I immediately noticed how stable these shoes felt, especially in the midfoot area. It's like having a supportive hand guiding each step. Despite being a stability shoe, the Gaviota 5 doesn't feel rigid or controlling. The cushioning is plush and responsive, thanks to the dual-density midsole. I've worn these on long walks and was impressed by how fresh my feet felt even after several miles. The upper of the Gaviota 5 is a standout feature. It's made from a breathable mesh that adapts to your foot shape, providing a custom-like fit. The padded tongue and collar add to the overall comfort, making these shoes feel like they were made just for you. One thing I really appreciate about the Gaviota 5 is its versatility. While it's primarily a walking shoe, I've also used it for light jogging and gym workouts. The stability features make it an excellent all-around shoe for various activities. 2. Hoka Mach 6. While primarily marketed as a running shoe, I've found it to be an exceptional option for fast-paced walking and fitness walking. The Mach 6 strikes a perfect balance between cushioning and responsiveness. The first thing I noticed about the Mach 6 was its lightweight feel. It's significantly lighter than some of the other shoes on this list, which makes it ideal for those who prefer a more nimble walking experience. Despite its light weight, it doesn't skimp on cushioning. The midsole of the Mach 6 features Hoka's Profli Plus foam, which provides a soft landing and a springy toe-off. This translates to a walking experience that feels effortless and energizing. I've found myself naturally picking up the pace when wearing these shoes. The upper of the Mach 6 is engineered mesh that's both breathable and supportive. It hugs your foot in all the right places without feeling constricting. I particularly appreciate the secure midfoot lockdown, which prevents any sliding or movement within the shoe. One of the standout features of the Mach 6 is its versatility. While it excels as a walking shoe, it's also capable of handling light runs or gym sessions. If you're someone who likes to mix up your workouts, the Mach 6 could be the perfect all-in-one solution. 1. Hoka Restore TC. And now, drumroll please, the number 1 spot on our list goes to the Hoka Restore TC. This shoe is specifically designed for recovery and all-day comfort, making it the ultimate walking shoe in Hoka's lineup. The moment I slipped on the Restore TC, I knew it was something special. The cushioning is out of this world. It's like walking on the softest, most supportive mat wrists you can imagine. The thick EVA midsole absorbs impact and returns energy with each step, making long walks a breeze. What sets the Restore TC apart is its focus on recovery. This shoe features a wider base and a more relaxed fit, which allows your feet to spread naturally. This is especially beneficial after a long day or a tough workout when your feet need some TLC. The upper of the Restore TC is made from a stretchy, breathable material that adapts to your foot shape. It's incredibly comfortable and accommodating, making it an excellent choice for those with wider feet or foot issues like bunions. One of my favorite features of the Restore TC is the easy-on/off design. The collapsible heel allows you to slip these on without using your hands, perfect for those moments when you just need to quickly step out. Despite this feature, the shoe still provides excellent heel lockdown when you're walking. The Restore TC also excels in terms of stability. The wide base and meta-rocker geometry work together to create a stable platform that guides your foot through each step. This makes it an excellent choice for those who need a bit of extra support in their walking shoes. Durability is another strong point for the Restore TC. After months of regular use, they show minimal signs of wear. The outsole has held up well on various surfaces, and the cushioning hasn't compressed significantly. If you're looking for a reliable, everyday walking shoe that can handle high mileage, the Restore TC is the top choice. Final thought. In conclusion, Hoka offers an impressive range of walking shoes to suit various needs and preferences. From the urban-ready transport to the recovery-focused Restore TC, there's a Hoka walking shoe for everyone. Remember, the best shoe for you will depend on your individual needs, foot shape, and walking style. I encourage you to try on a few different models to find your perfect match. Happy walking, everyone!